You are welcome. In Akash Hardware, you will find every item to give your house an attractive look. Here you will get the best quality tiles, granite, marble, sanitary ware, hydraulic modular kitchen, bathroom ware and much more. And the hardware of every brand is present here, whether it is Johnson, Century, Toyo or other big brand hardware. You are available here at fair price and rates. So come to Akash Hardware and give your house an attractive look.
We are here from the All India Master Workers Labor Union, which is the union of all the daily minimum wages workers in Jhansi who are engaged in the various departments of the government. So this union now for almost 10 years. The voice for all the daily minimum wages workers in Meghalaya regarding the, as per the mandate by the Minimum Wages Act 1948, that it clearly said that within 5 years the state government should constitute the advisory committee to review the inflation of the rate in the market. So based on this, we are here today since the government had ignored, because it become more than 14 months, the government had not doing anything with regard as mandated by this act. So in spite of the fact that we from the union, since the month of June 2024, we had given a representation to remind the government about this act, that it's already lapsed for 7-8 months, because it should be effect from 1st October 2023. It's complete 5 years. So since from June 2024 onwards till this Friday, the 13th of this December, we are given 3 reminders to the Chief Minister. But what happening with the government till yesterday, last night, the Sri R. Chituri, we know he's a joint secretary. He had given us a verbal assurance that the approval to implement this wages based on 5 years, the government had given approval, but they will issue an order. So, but till this moment, we are still waiting for the order. But since we from the union had already informed the government, the Deputy Commissioner in East Kashans, since last week of November, second week, that we will organize the indefinite sit-in protest and the hunger strike in Shillong. So the DC had given us the permission. But today, while we waiting for the order from the government, so we have to sit here again, since it's just a verbal assurance. So regarding this minimum wages, the review of this, last revision was done in the 1st October 2018, and that also of indefinite hunger strike. We organized then an additional secretariat. There only, then the government called us for a talk, and then they issued the order. But today again, we are so disappointed. We are seeing that it become a tradition for the state government, that you have to hit the street, organize agitation, come to Shillong, and then only government will deliver. Today it becomes 6 years. So this is the state of affairs which we see that the government is lacking, especially with the welfare of the labor. Because this, when come for the rate, this rate, basic floor rate, is covered to all the laborer in Meghalaya. So since now it's already lapsed 14 months, it's truly very much affect the workers, particularly especially for the single mother, those workers who have rented house, because now you see the inflation is very high, and especially now in Meghalaya, come with this electricity bill, we have to pay even more than what required last year. So it very much affects us, the livelihood of the workers. So another thing, now the school session is beginning next year. We see this, the requirement for the children it's high, especially the uniform, the books and all, because the government till date had not implemented in Latin spirit the RTE Act, which had mentioned clearly the age group from 6 to 14 years should get a free education. But for us, the workers, till now, we don't receive this act or to implement it. So because of this, we decide today that until the government give us a written assurance, then only we'll withdraw this agitation. If the government will not give us, then we'll continue from tomorrow onwards with even with hunger strike, indefinite. So what we are now here who are present in the sea, the workers from various departments, and even from tomorrow onwards, we expected that the workers come from Garwa also, they were planning to join us. So that what we